Imagine investing in the entire stock market with just one simple click. No complex research, no risky guessing. Just a smarter way for beginners to grow wealth. And yes, it's simpler than you think. It's called an ETF. Most beginners want to invest, but feel completely overwhelmed. Thousands of stocks, endless news, and the constant fear of losing money. So they wait, and lose years of potential growth. That's exactly why ETFs were created. ETF means Exchange Traded Fund. Think of it like a basket of many companies. Buy one ETF, and you own small pieces of them all. Simple, diversified, beginner-friendly. ETFs grow in two powerful ways. First, price growth over time. When companies grow, your investment grows too. Second, dividends. Some ETFs pay you regular cash income, so your money keeps working in the background. This is why millions start with ETFs. Lower risk than single stocks, very low fees, easy to buy and sell, and powerful long-term growth. For beginners, it's the smartest first step. Getting started is easier than you think. Step 1. Open a brokerage account. Step 2. Choose a simple ETF, like an S&P 500 or total market fund. Step 3. Invest small, but consistently, because time in the market builds real wealth.